If you rely on cybersecurity but dread outages, don't miss this update on Crowdstrike's latest event. On July 19, 2024, Crowdstrike experienced a significant outage affecting their Falcon platform on Windows hosts. What caused it? A defect in a content update. But don't worry, Mac and Linux stayed online. Crowdstrike quickly acknowledged the issue, clarifying it wasn't a cyber attack. They immediately rolled out fixes, ensuring that Falcon sensor protection remained active. Even better, Falcon Complete and Falcon Overwatch services weren't disrupted. George Kurtz, Crowdstrike's CEO, addressed the situation head-on, promising complete transparency. Regular updates through their support portal and official blog kept everyone in the loop. Kurtz reassured users that a full investigation was underway to prevent future incidents. So while it was a bump in the road, Crowdstrike's commitment to security and customer service stayed rock solid. Stay tuned for more updates, and remember, when it comes to cybersecurity, staying informed is your best defense.